Hey everyone, Matthew here. Welcome back to the channel. Wishing you a very happy Tuesday, wherever you are. Today is December 16, 2025, and this is your Daily Nasdaq Futures Recap, the show where we dissect every major market move, break down all the key data points, and dive into every trade executed by our algorithmic trading system. Without further ado, let's get right into the action. Market news and landscape. It was a relatively light day on the macroeconomic front, but with key job data releases on the horizon, the stage was set for a volatile market. Here's what we saw. 8:15 a.m. ADP Employment Change. 8:30 a.m. Non-farm payrolls, core retail sales, followed by the unemployment rate. No tech firm was scheduled to release earnings after the bell. Overnight session. As the market reopened at 6 p.m., Nasdaq futures took an initial dip. Our robot swiftly entered a short position right at the open. A small profit was locked in as that position was closed soon after. As Asian markets came online, Nasdaq took another dip. Our system entered a short trade once again. However, a quick reversal saw us exit with a $150 loss. After that, the market remained relatively quiet for the rest of the night. Morning session, European and U.S. Open. At 3 a.m., our algorithm spotted a clean breakout from a consolidation zone and entered a long position. That trade was closed by 4 o'clock a.m., securing a solid profit and leaving our realized loss at just $35. At 8:15 a.m., another long position was initiated, which was closed shortly thereafter for a profit. By this time, our realized profit had climbed to $63, with an additional $78 unrealized gain. The big data releases came at 8:30 a.m., with non-farm payrolls coming in 64K better than expected, and core retail sales outperforming expectations with a 0.4% increase, up from 0.1% previously. ADP Employment Change, 16.25K versus 4.75K prior. Unemployment rate, 4.6% up from 4.4%. With all the data hitting the market at once, volatility spiked. Our robot quickly closed the long position, locking in a $136 profit. The 9:30 a.m. U.S. stock market open. As the U.S. market opened, Nasdaq fluctuated between jumps and drops. Meanwhile, Bitcoin continued its downward spiral. Our robot executed 4 trades, 3 winners and 1 loser, bringing the realized gain back to $98. Another losing trade soon followed, but the damage was minimal, leaving us with just a $2 realized loss. Then at 10 a.m., the market made a sudden turn south, with AI stocks and Bitcoin both taking hits. Our robot capitalized on the movement, entering a short trade. By noon, that short position was closed for a solid $271 profit, bringing our realized gain to $269 for the day. Afternoon session and close. By the afternoon, Nasdaq was hovering around the 25,100 level, with no clear direction in sight. As a result, there were no trading signals for the remainder of the session. After hours session, there were no tech earnings releases after the bell, which marked the end of our trading for the day. Summary and key takeaways. Overall, today was a typical market day, following the release of non-farm payrolls and unemployment data. With significant volatility, our robot was able to finish with a $269 gain by trading just 1 contract of the E-mini Nasdaq futures. A huge thank you to all of you for tuning in to today's recap. I hope you enjoyed the update and that you're having a relaxing evening. Make sure to recharge, because we'll be back tomorrow to do it all over again. I'm Matthew, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next edition of the Nasdaq Futures Recap. Take care and trade smart.